I'm attempting to repair the 3D target today. Let's see what's inside this cheap 3D target. It's not filled with the foam. It is filled with unknown fabric. I'm a bit disappointed. This time, I'm trying to fill the gaps with expandable foam in the spray can. I'm hoping it will do the trick. Here is the other side of the replaceable target. Trying to do a little bit different on this side. Injecting expandable foam into small holes. Now I'm testing it with a well-used target. This is what I'm using today, the Gorilla Pro expandable foam in easy spray can. It does expand quite a bit. It looks cured, so it's time to slice the excess foam off. I don't like this squeaky noise. It seems pretty solid. Hope it will stop the arrows. It's time to put the bits back into the main body. It's expanded a bit more this side, so it's hard to put the bits back in. It's time to test the target. Hope it works. It seems working, but maybe not dense enough to stop arrows better. What I should have done is wrap the target in the grub wraps to keep the pressure inside when it's expanding. I'm guessing that'll make more dense foam and stops the arrow better. It didn't work well. The stuffed fabric inside is all pushed by arrows and made a bigger mess. Now I need a plan B. My next plan is remove all the fabric inside and refill it with a expandable foam. Wish me luck.